In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify website. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. This is where you'll manage your website design and layout. Next, click on Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Choose a theme that matches your brand style and begin editing your homepage. Inside the editor, you can customize banners, featured products, text sections, images, and more. Use the theme settings section to adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and your store logo for a professional look. After designing your homepage, go back to the Shopify dashboard and click on Products. Then select Add Product to upload your items. Fill in your product title, description, pricing, inventory, and upload high-quality product images. Clear descriptions and attractive visuals can help improve sales. Once your products are added, head over to Settings to configure your store details. Under Payments, choose how you want to accept payments from customers. Shopify supports multiple payment gateways including Shopify Payments and PayPal. Then go to Shipping and Delivery to set your shipping rates, delivery zones, and shipping methods. Finally, click on Domains to connect or purchase a custom domain name for your website. A custom domain makes your store look more professional and easier for customers to remember. After reviewing everything, preview your website and make any final adjustments before publishing your store live. Thanks for watching.